how to put sizes in TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add different sizes or different variants on your different products in TikTok Shop. Now first things first, visit your seller center just like what I'm seeing here. And we're going to click over here on the left side under products. Simply select manage products over here. And in this section, this is where you will be able to manage existing products that you have. But as you can see right now, I don't have anything yet. So let's click on add new products. In the add new products, this is actually where you will be able to put different sizes on your TikTok Shop or your specific product, which then you will be able to modify later on. So for example, over here, so simply put t-shirt over here. But anyway, you have to put a proper name, I guess, here. So you're going to have to follow the specific format over here to make it better. So let's say, this is just an example, by the way. Uniqlo t-shirt, black and white with dragon design. There we go. And then you're going to select the category over here. Now the category will be automatically selected based on your title. But since it will recognize an item or a category that actually has sizes like a t-shirt or like pants or shoes, those are items that typically have sizes. So if you select that category, or if that category is specifically selected, you will be able to modify or add sizes over here, as you can see. So you can add regular, big or tall, or you can even type here XL, stuff like that. You will be able to add those stuff under the size type over here. So after that, simply complete your product application over here and click on submit for review, and that way you will be able to add sizes to your different products in TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.